Meets the criteria.
42 inches DBH.
Marking it orange now. A good 30 inches.
Okay, mark it here.
Got it.
Back it up slow. Watch the clearance on the right. All right, keep it coming straight. Hold it.
Smooth wooden planks move slowly deeper into the factory on heavy conveyor belts, undergoing careful. Quality looks good on this batch. Yeah, the curves are smooth.
Heads up on bay 2.
Coming through, clear the way.
All set back here. Heads up on bay 2.
Coming through, clear the way.
All set back here.
Right here should be fine.
Hey, Steve.
Looks good. I'll get the others. Put these down here.
Perfect, thank you. Let's try this one over here.
Yes, that looks much better. This feels much better now that it's set up.
It really completes the room, doesn't it? I really enjoy these quiet evenings together.
Me too. It's been a while since we had a chance to just relax like this.
Really a lovely evening.
It really was.
We should do this more often.
It really is a beautiful morning, isn't it?
Yes, the light coming through the window is just perfect.